Hello students, welcome back. Today we will be exploring applications of biosensor in environmental monitoring and their recent advances. So this presentation will, we will be exploring use of biosensor in environmental monitoring and focusing on their application in detecting heavy metal, pesticide, phenolic compound and other pollutant. We will also be discussing recent advances in biosensor technology, including paper fluidics and smartphone based sensor. So what is biosensor? So biosensors are analytical device that combines biological recognition element with an transducer to detect and quantify specific analytes. They offer advantages like high sensitivity, specificity and real-time monitoring. Application in environmental monitoring, biosensors are very critical role in the environmental monitoring, particularly in detection of pollutant like heavy metal, pesticides and organic compound. They provide rapid and cost-effective alternative to the traditional methods. So there are several different types of biosensor. So one of the important pollutant is heavy metal. So we have heavy metal metal biosensors are there. So heavy metal are a serious environmental pollutant posing health risk to human being and ecosystem. They are non-biodegradable and accumulating in the environment. So heavy metals are recalcitrant material. They are accumulated in the body, and as we go higher in the food pyramid, they are accumulated more in the body. So that will lead to cytotoxic and genotoxic toxicity. So that will eventually lead to cancer and various other health problems. So biosensor advantage. So what are the advantage? We will see about that. Biosensors offer advantage over traditional methods for heavy metal detection, including real-time monitoring, cost effectiveness and improved sensitivity and specificity. So this is the advantage. So we have to have improved sensitivity. So the amount of heavy metal in the water bodies, soil and also in the air have to be detected quickly and thoroughly and very within cost effective way, and also it has to be very specific, that is what kind of heavy metal that you are trying to detect, whether it is mercury, arsenic, cadmium or asbestos. So all these heavy metals can be detected using the biosensor method. So they have good advantage. So type of biosensor for detection of heavy metal can be done using enzymes, antibody or use of whole cell rDNA or DNA based enzyme, okay, DNA enzymes. So this is an schematic representation of the use of a whole cell or the biosensor and how it will work. So we will see that the one of the important way in detecting the heavy metal is enzyme based biosensor. So enzyme inhibition by the heavy metal can be they can either lead to inhibition or activation of enzyme activity by interacting with their active site or forming complex with a substrate. So the heavy metal usually cause uncompetitive inhibition with the enzyme, and they completely destroy the activity of enzyme. So that is how we will be able to detect. So the amount of heavy metal that is interacting with the enzyme can be detected more accurately. So different enzyme inhibition varies exhibit varying sensitivity to different heavy metal, allowing for sensitive detection. Transducer integration. So the enzymes are integrated with transducers such as electrochemical or optical sensor to measure changes in the heavy metal activity caused by the heavy metal presence. So there are certain examples of heavy metals are there. So few examples are alkaline phosphatase that is used to detect zinc, glycerol phosphate oxide used to metal mercury, pyruvate oxide. Then you have lactate dehydrogenase that is used to detect heavy metals such as mercury, copper, zinc, and lead. So you have oxidase to detect lead, then urease enzyme to detect mercury, copper, gold, and cadmium. So these are some of the examples of enzyme inhibition or enzyme used to detect the heavy metal. Then we have the pesticide biosensor. So pesticide, due to as the use of pesticide is helpful in the increasing of productivity in agriculture. So these are the pesticides are used very common in the agricultural activity. So pesticides are widely used in agriculture to enhance the crop production, but they can also pose significant environment and health risks. So biosensor application are employed to detect the pesticide residue in various matters including water, soil, and food products, ensuring food safety and environmental protection. The enzyme inhibition, there are detected the enzyme inhibition or the pesticide also inhibit enzyme. So the main enzyme or the used for the detection of pesticide is acetylcholine esterase, and critical enzyme that is present in the nervous system of human being and also in the insect. Okay, so there are several different recent advances in the biosensor. So one of the method is paper fluidic method. So paper based microfluidic devices offer an advantage over portable offer advantage between various method. They are because they are highly portable, cost effective, they are very cost effective, easy to use, and make them suitable for on-site environmental monitoring. So the nanotechnology and advanced printing technology is the cause for the advancement of paper fluidic method to detect the environmental sensor. So nowadays utilization of smartphone has also helped in the detection of heavy metal. So smart metal with their advanced electronics and connectivity are being integrated with the biosensor to create portable and user friendly monitoring of the system. So we have various different ways to monitor air quality, to monitor water quality, and also to monitor soil quality. Smartphone based sensors are very helpful. Nanomaterial and quantum dots are the new technology or the recent technology. So nanomaterial and quantum dots enhances the biosensor sensitivity and detection limits, enabling the detection of trace amount of pollutant. So they are able to detect even the small amount of the chemical. So even at nano levels, the materials can be detected and safely monitored for the safely monitored. So these are some of the advanced methods. So now let us see what are the advantage of these biosensor. So advantage is it is real time monitoring. So you are able to detect these molecules immediately and you will be able to act upon it very immediately. So biosensor provides continuous and immediate detection of pollutant, allowing them for prompt response and mitigation measures. They are cost effective. So biosensor offer cost effective alternative to traditional analytical method, making environmental monitoring more accessible for everyone. So it is not only for laboratory purpose or to for certain research purpose. So everyone can use these monitors or the biosensor for air quality, water quality, and also for the soil quality. Improved sensitivity and specificity. Biosensor can detect trace amount of pollutant with high accuracy and selectivity, ensuring reliable environmental assessment. So, this is very important. So, there are various different chemical pollutant and carcinogenic agent and mutagenic agent in the environment. So, what are these, selectivity and accuracy is very important. So, that can be achieved by these biosensor. So, another advantage is on-site monitoring. So, there is you can monitor the pollution level, especially areas where it is off-site or it is away from the cities or townships. So, you can able to assess the amount of pollution in the different areas, and a portable sensor enable us to monitor and eliminate the need of sample transportation and laboratory analysis. So, these are the different advantage of biosensor in the environmental monitoring. Thank you.